Hey there! Today we're tackling a tricky problem involving postfix evaluation using stack. The issue at hand is dealing with negative numbers in the input string format. The input is supposed to consist of integers and characters separated by commas, with a hashtag signifying the end of the expression. However, the challenge arises when negative numbers are included in the mix, causing some unexpected behavior during processing. Now, let's delve into the solution for the problem we discussed earlier. The key lies in rethinking our approach to input parsing. The current implementation using Scanf is running into issues due to the behavior of how it handles certain characters like plus in hashtag. Fortunately, we can sidestep these issues by pivoting to a different strategy, opting instead for fgets and std. By switching to this alternative method, we can achieve more robust error checking and better precision in parsing the input string. In summary, we've successfully navigated around the roadblocks presented by the input parsing problem with negative numbers. By leveraging fgets and std, we've established a more reliable solution that ensures accurate identification of integers and characters in the input string. I hope you found this troubleshooting session helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below for any questions or feedback. Until next time, happy coding!